Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best large canvas tent is probably one of the most versatile and durable shelters available for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a unique blend of spaciousness, weather resistance, and a classic camping aesthetic that many modern tents simply can't replicate, making it an ideal choice for families, group trips, or anyone who values comfort and a connection with nature during their adventures. Number 5. Best Choice Products 10 by 10 foot pop-up canopy tent. Setting up your shade has never been easier. With a simple push of a button and easy height adjustments, you can have this canopy ready in under a minute, all by yourself. When it's time to pack up, it collapses just as easily. It slides right into the included zip-up carrying case with wheels, making transport a breeze. Enjoy ample shade with 100 square feet of coverage. You can easily adjust it to 4 different heights to suit your needs, and it comes with weight bags for added stability. Whether you're camping, hosting a party, or enjoying a day at the park, this canopy is your ideal companion. It provides shade on any surface, from pavement to grass. Built to last, it features a strong steel frame and a sturdy, flame-retardant polyester top. This ensures quality and durability for year-round outdoor use. What we like. This canopy offers an incredibly fast and easy setup, perfect for a single person. If you're looking for instant shade without any hassle, this is your go-to. Its compact rolling storage case makes it ideal for tailgating or quick trips to the park. What people say. The tent is very spacious and can comfortably fit a queen-size air mattress and all of our gear. Setup was surprisingly easy, even for a first-time camper. The color-coded poles made it simple to assemble. The ventilation is excellent, with multiple windows and mesh panels that keep the tent cool and bug-free. Number 4. Better Boat Fabric and Vinyl Repair Tape. Don't let a small tear turn into a big problem. Our repair tape seals rips and holes instantly. Just peel, stick, and you're done in seconds. Get 30 feet of durable, waterproof tape that you can cut to any size. It bonds strongly to vinyl, canvas, leather, and most fabrics. No special tools are needed. Our adhesive is built to withstand the elements, just like marine-grade products. It stays put through sun, salt, and storms, ensuring a lasting repair. This black tape blends perfectly with dark-colored fabrics for a clean, seamless look. It's flexible enough to conform to curves and corners without lifting. Choose from clear for any color, or white for lighter materials. Achieve the least visible repair by matching the shade to your fabric. Each roll provides plenty for multiple fixes. What we like. Don't let a small tear ruin your gear. This heavy-duty repair tape provides a waterproof seal in seconds. If you need a reliable fix for your existing canvas, vinyl, or tarp items, this tape offers a durable and discreet solution. What people say. The tent is very spacious and can comfortably fit multiple people and their gear. Setup was surprisingly easy, even for a large tent, with clear instructions provided. The material feels durable and waterproof, holding up well against rain. Number 3. Razee Kids Indoor Playhouse Tent. Introducing a play tent designed for durability and safety. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this playhouse offers a robust structure, ensuring children can play inside with peace of mind. This adorable play tent is perfect for birthdays, encouraging children's imagination. It also provides a personal space for them to relax and have fun. Crafted from polyester cotton with an easy-to-assemble frame, this tent can be set up quickly. When playtime is over, it neatly packs away into its own convenient suitcase. Measuring 49.5 by 35.5 by 49.5 inches, it offers ample space for 4 to 5 children. They can enjoy tea parties or reenact their favorite fairy tales together. This indoor tent is not only a fun addition to your child's play area but also stylish enough for your living room. It's perfect for keeping toys neatly tucked away. What we like. This indoor play tent offers a sturdy and safe space for children to let their imagination soar. If you're looking for a way to give your kids their own private little world for imaginative play, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for creating a cozy reading nook or a fun playhouse right in their room. What people say. The tent is very spacious and can comfortably fit a queen-size air mattress and still have room for gear. Setup was surprisingly easy, taking only about 15 minutes with 2 people. The canvas material is heavy-duty and seems very durable, providing good protection from the elements. Number 2. B5 Pro Canvas Bell Tent. Experience unparalleled durability with our premium cotton canvas tent. It's built tough with a galvanized steel frame and double-stitched seams, designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and serve as your reliable temporary home on long journeys. Enjoy ample living space with a generous floor area and impressive center height. This tent comfortably accommodates multiple people and can fit beds or sleeping bags, offering a clutter-free and enjoyable glamping experience. Stay comfortable in any weather with bug-free ventilation through dual-layer doors and mesh windows. The waterproof floor keeps you dry, while the center D-ring allows for easy hanging of lights or fans for a cozy ambience. This 4-season yurt is perfect for any time of year. It features a pre-cut stove jack for winter camping and a side vent port for connecting an AC unit in the summer. The detachable sidewall even converts it into a large canopy. Designed with your convenience in mind, it features flexible zippers and easy access with a tall door height. This tent comes with all necessary accessories, making it your portable glamping home for creating lasting memories. What we like. Experience glamping like never before with this heavy-duty canvas bell tent. If you desire a comfortable and spacious retreat that can withstand various weather conditions, this tent is for you. Its all-season design and included stove jack make it ideal for extended camping trips or even as a unique backyard getaway. What people say. The tent is very spacious and can comfortably fit a queen-size air mattress and still have room for gear. Setup was surprisingly easy, even for one person, and it only took about 15 minutes to get it fully erected. The ventilation is excellent, with multiple windows and mesh panels that keep the air flowing and prevent condensation buildup. Number 1. Happybuy 4 Seasons Cotton Bell Tent. Experience year-round comfort with our durable and breathable TC fabric tent. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, making it perfect for any season. Elevate your outdoor experience with this luxurious bell tent. Its waterproof design and zip-away floor make it ideal for parties, festivals, and comfortable camping. Enjoy ample space with this large-capacity yurt-style tent, comfortably accommodating 5 to 8 people. Its high walls allow you to stand and move freely inside. Stay comfortable with excellent ventilation thanks to mesh doors, windows, and roof vents. Keep pesky insects out while enjoying the fresh air. This tent comes with everything you need for a quick setup, including a ground sheet, stove jack, and tool kit. It all packs neatly into a waterproof bag. Designed for various outdoor activities, this tent offers a stove jack for winter warmth and breathable canvas for cooler breezes. It's your perfect companion for camping, hunting, and more. What we like. This breathable cotton bell tent offers a luxurious and adaptable outdoor living experience. If you appreciate natural materials and the flexibility to transform your space, this tent is an excellent option. Its zip-away floor makes it perfect for parties or warm weather camping, while still providing comfort in cooler seasons. What people say. The tent is very spacious and can comfortably fit a queen-size air mattress and still have plenty of room for gear. Setup was surprisingly easy, taking only about 15 minutes with 2 people. The canvas material is heavy-duty and seems very durable, providing excellent protection from the elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.